Let us have a look at some of the similarities between Polyscope 5 and Polyscope X. Even though Polyscope X offers new functions like building your program in modules and calling functions, it is still possible to create a program by inserting commands in the program tree. Let us have a look at how you can create a simple pick-and-place application where the robot picks up a piece from the tray and places it again. First off, to insert a note in your program, just click the Add icon. That'll open up a toolbox with all your available commands. Click on Move To get started with a movement command, then click Teach Point to mark your first position above the corner of the tray, and save the waypoint. Now we need to grab the piece from the tray by adding a linear movement. We use the buttons to jog the robot. Click Set to close the gripper. And afterwards, you insert a wait command. Don't forget to update your payload while the gripper is holding the piece. Then we move up to our point above the tray again by using a variable. By using a variable position, you will only have to reteach once, and not everywhere that position is used in case adjustments are needed. To move the robot into position, we use the Move Here button. We'll use a joint movement to reach the end of the tray. Then another linear movement to get to the place position. Once we're at the right position, click Set to open the gripper. And afterwards you insert a wait command. Again, don't forget to update your payload while the gripper is empty. Last step, we move up to our point above the tray again. By using a variable as before. And the program is done. Let's play it. In the 3D viewer, you can see the robot's movements. That was how a simple pick-and-place program can be made, similar to how it would have been done in Polyscope 5.